guys, today I'm going to cook one of those Jennie-O frozen turkey breasts in a bag in my toaster oven. So let's get toasting. I haven't cooked one of these before, but I cooked one of the whole turkeys and it was actually pretty good. So in the comments someone said the turkey breasts are pretty good as well, so I happened to see this. This cost $12.99 I think it was, and it's 2.75 pounds boneless turkey breast. So let's open it up here, see what it looks like. Oh, come on. Try and get it out of the bag. I don't want to cut a hole in this. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Like I said, it's boneless. Keep this side, what does it say? Keep this side up. Wait, roast this side up. I think it says keep this side up. This doesn't have one of those pop-up thermometers in it or anything, but it says to cook it in a 375 degree oven until it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. And it said that should take about an hour and 40 minutes. And it says to cut 3 half-inch slits in the top of the plastic bag there. Also has a package of gravy in there, but I really didn't like that with the other turkey I cooked. So I did run a little bit of water over this just to kind of loosen up the plastic a little bit. So just do one little slit. I'll just go kind of diagonal across like that. All right, let's get it into the oven. I have my oven set to bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. It looks like there's enough clearance there, so hopefully this will turn out okay. We'll see what happens. It's been about an hour and 25 minutes, so I just pulled this out. Let's check the temperature here with my quick read thermometer. 168, we wanted 165, so I think that's done. This has been resting for a few minutes here and it smells pretty good. So let's see what it looks like. I can get this plastic off of here. All that juice. I wonder how this will be. Let's see. Smells good. Alright, so let me see if I can get the plastic off of there. Alright, let's cut into this and see what the inside looks like here. I can do it without splashing that juice everywhere. Oh, well, doesn't look too bad. Guess we should cut off a little piece and give it a taste test here. It's not bad, although I don't like it as well as the whole turkey I cooked because I like dark meat better. Well, I guess Annie smelled it. She always shows up at just the right time. Want to do a turkey taste test? I think she liked it. Well, that worked out pretty good cooking it in the toaster oven. Super easy way to cook turkey breast. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.